Hello students, today I will start chapter number 22 of your reasoning book. Let's see the question number 1. The question number 1 is Ram ranked ninth from the top and 30 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in a class? Now student, for this question, let's see the solution. Ram ranked ninth from the top, it is given in the question, and Ram ranked 30 from the bottom, it is also given in the question. That means Ram is counted twice. So the total number of students will be 9 plus 30, that means 39, and it should be subtract from 1. That means 39 minus 1, it will be 38. So the total number of students in this class are 38. Let's see the question number 2. Student, in the question number 2, Ramesh ranks 18th in a class of 50 students. What is his rank from the last? The total number of students is here 50 and 18th is his rank from the top. So it should be subtracted like 50 minus 18. 50 minus 18, it will be 32, and when we count it from the last, we should add 1. That means 32 plus 1, it will be 33. So his rank from the last is 33. Now students, let's see the question number 3, that is Sarita is 7 ranks ahead Babita in a class of 39. If Babita's rank is 17th from the last, what is Sarita's rank from the start? Let's see the solution. The solution is Babita's is 17th from the last and Sarita is 7 rank ahead of Babita. That means Sarita is 24th from the last. So the number of students ahead of Sarita's in a rank, that is 39 minus 24 plus 1. So the answer of this question is 16, means option number A. Let's see the question number 4. Question number 4 is Charu is 8th rank ahead Shyama, who ranks 26 in a class. Student, you can see here Shyama's rank is given 26, but it is not given from the top or from the bottom. So we can't solve this question. So its answer will be none of these. The question number 5 is in a row of 40 children, P is 13th from the left and Q is 9th from the right. And how many children are there between P and R if R is 4th to the left of Q? So students, the children between them P and R is equal to 40, that means total number of students, minus 9 plus 13 plus 4. 9 plus 13 plus 4, it will be closed in the bracket. That means the answer is 14. So option number A will be right for question number 5. Let's see the question number 6. A class of girls stand in a single line. That means all girls are standing in a line. One girl is 19th in the order of from both the ends. That means instead of these girls, how many students are there remaining? 18 students from each side. That means from the starting and from the bottom, 18 students are left. That means total students is 18 plus 18, that means 36. And when we added this girl, that means 36 plus 1, it will be 37. So option number B is right for this question. Thank you students.